Hello, I have a few things to show you from under the Rowan tree, from Mac and Gray Designs and from Persephone's Boutique. Let's have a look, shall we? Hello everybody, it's Edwina from My Craft Orchard. How are you? I have mega haul. All of this stuff sort of seemed to come in a week, so let me show you. And where do I start? Let me start with Mac and Gray first, shall we? Let me move these subscription boxes out of the way. Okay, so Mac and Gray Designs. Let me just change the camera angle. There we go. So I am a patron of Mac and Gray Designs, and every month we get to choose what stickers we want. And I met her at Station Fest, Rachel and Mac, and I can't remember what Mac's real name is, I'm sorry, but these are amazing. So this is the Summer Scrapbook Memories. So we've got flowers, we've got letters, we've got stars and things, boxes, always like a box, and then some more sort of stickery type ones as well. And she's also got her advent calendar out, which I will link down below. And this is how I found Mac and Gray last year, because I had their advent calendar and then decided to join their Patreon, because I think these are amazing. And when I met them at Stationery, they are amazing people as well. So yeah, love it, would highly recommend the stickers for prettiness, and it's just my vibe, I have to say. The next one I'm going to show you is Under the Rowan Tree, and as you know, I have a discount code for Under the Rowan Tree, which is down below. This one is the quarterly After Dark box. So they have two subscriptions. They have the After Dark and they have a monthly subscription. This one comes out every quarter, and this one, so the one I'm going to show you, is the monthly. So this one was Magic West. So as you can see, we've got a cow skull, we've got stickers, and these are square stickers which are different. I like those, all with sort of that cowboy type feel. Got a big big sticker, like, I mean, that's as big as my hand, that one is. Got a notebook which is got nice thick arty sort of paper, with a few designs in there, so you could do some journaling or memory keeping or something in that. A cowboy boot, which I'm not quite sure whether it's a shot glass or what, don't know. Cactus. I always like a cactus, me. We have some sticky notes, which I like those, and these I think are amazing. These cards are amazing. So you've got Magic Vibes Only, You Are Magic, Escape, Once Upon a Time, You Are My Moon and Sun, Shine On, and Go World. And they're all blank on the back, so you could use them for memory keeping or send them as cards, note cards to people if you've got pen friends and that sort of thing. Then you've also got washi tape. So this is the thick washi tape with the cow skulls on, and then this has got sort of like a moony sun in the orange. And then this, a while back we had a Traveller's Notebook in one of these boxes, and we had the fountain pen. Well, this is the same pen, but in a ballpoint. So I'm quite looking forward to using that. These are really heavy, so if you like a heavy pen, they're perfect. And Another Entry also does the inserts for these, so this is a real reusable pen because you can get the inserts for it as well. So that's the first box. Put that one out of the way. This is the monthly. Now this is August. Just check. Yeah, this is the August box. So the August box is called Tropical Paradise. And as you can see, lots of toucans. And we have a page of stickers, leaves. Can't go wrong with leaves, can't go wrong with plants, definitely not. Some Faber-Castell pastel highlighters. Look at him. I think he's amazing. Or is it a she? Are flamingos he or she? Comment down below, let me know what you think. I do know that if you don't put them in a certain type of water, they aren't pink. I do know that. But anyway, I'm quite looking forward to using that, I have to say. It's fun. Some journaling cards with nice big sort of space in the middle, so you could, we could actually put August in there, or a note or thank you stickers. Use it as a base for some journaling card or whatever. I've got two skinny washi. I really like these, I have to say. Plants and Stripes, definitely on vibe this month. I like those. Your journaling card with your month on as normal, and then two paper clips, one pineapple and a flamingo. Like it. And then this, I thought this was really good. This is a lined notebook with the gold edging. It's lined. I have opened it. It's lined, and you've got these lovely plants on it. So I thought that was really, really nice. Both boxes, there's a discount code down below of 10% if you wanted to treat yourself. Just use my code, which is down below. I like both boxes this time. I wasn't sure about the Wild West one, whether I was going to like it, but when it arrived, yes. So the journaling cards are amazing, and obviously the stickers and that I like. But this one, definitely. And again, when this came through, I thought, not sure whether I like too many toucans, but you got plants and flamingos, so I'm quite happy with that. So those are the subscription boxes. Now, as you know, if you've been part of this channel for a while, you know that I am obsessed by this little demon, which is my Demoji, from Angel at Persephone's boutique. And I met Angel, sorry about that, at Plannerfest. Amazing lady. Love her. So she put on, there's a Facebook page group if you wanted to join to get all the inside information. And so every order she includes a card, and this card is this one. I love this. I really love this one. Adventure. I'm really loving that card this time. And then you get a few freebies when you do an order, so you get freebie cards, some Demoji stickers, and then this one is because you're on an adventure, which goes with that card, which I think is fabulous. And she put on the Facebook about doing some scripts, and I suggested she did some days of the week and months, so here they are. So obviously I had to buy some. So we now have, these are brand new for this month, some January to December, 3 different styles. She also does it in a different script. This is the script I chose, and your quarters, which I love. Obviously days of the week, I had a whole month's worth of those. And then also she's done a holiday script, so you've got your New Year's, your Christmas, Daylight Saving, Independence, April Fools, Mother's Days, all of those sort of things as well. Fantastic, brilliant. Love it. I'm so glad that she's done this, because you can't always buy the days of the week. I just think it's brilliant. So that's the one thing. Now, I am so excited that she did this. If you follow her on Instagram, and if you don't, she does this with Demoji, and she puts him in different pictures, as well as lots of other stickers with him on, and I've showed you all those before. But the one thing that I really liked, and I loved the picture, was of Demoji sitting on a toadstool. Well, she wore one of those t-shirts to Stationery Fest, and this week, well this month, these last couple of weeks, she actually put them out for sale. And so I had to buy one. Let me show you my brand new Demoji t-shirt. I love it so much. Oh, look at him. Isn't he absolutely amazing? Isn't he amazing? I cannot wait to wear this. He is the cutest thing, and the fact that he's on a toadstool in a forest, it's totally my vibe, I have to say. If you look at my all of my banners for YouTube and all of those sort of things, it's plants, it's mushrooms, it's just autumn colours, autumn everything. But this I love. Comment down below, do you love Demoji? Do you like this? There is a 10% off Persephone's boutique for anybody who does a first order, and if you sign up to her newsletter, you get discount codes every month for every new moon, for stickers and stuff off her shop as well, new releases, that sort of thing. I love it, I love it. Give me a thumbs up if you love this, if you love toucans or flamingos, anything. Just give me a thumbs up if you like stationery, okay? And please consider subscribing. I use all the stickers in my planning. I use the monthly for Under the Rowan Tree in my monthly journaling and all those sort of things. So please subscribe so you don't miss anything. And thank you so much for watching. I'm going to go and put him on now. Bye.